Hey guys, I'm Christy with WTI. I was looking for a way that I can incorporate retinol into my daily skincare routine without drying out my skin. I found this great moisturizing face cream from Remedial packs that has retinol and collagen. I do use retinol serums in my routine, but if I use them too often, they'll dry out my skin. So this has been the perfect way to ensure I'm getting retinol on my skin daily without drying it out. It's got great ingredients in here to help moisturize. So you have hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, shea butter. It's got a great texture, it's creamy, it's not overly greasy. The container's kind of fun. You have this little pump that you push down on top. One pump I find is just the right amount to cover my face and neck. This does have a scent to it, but it's not overpowering. I would describe it kind of as a fresh scent. It's not floral, but it doesn't bother me, and I tend to be picky about scents. I really think adding this moisturizing cream is really beneficial for my personal routine because it's a way I can get those anti-aging ingredients in there daily without irritating my skin. And that's my point of view.